In this tutorial, we'll use Python and Spire.PDF to convert a PDF document into a Markdown file that is easier to edit, review, and reuse. PDF files preserve visual layout, but that can make content harder to edit. Converting to Markdown helps separate the material into reusable text, embedded images, and simple table syntax. For this workflow, Spire.PDF can preserve normal text flow, embed images as base 64 PNG data, convert tables to Markdown table syntax, and keep basic bold or italic formatting. Start by installing Spire.PDF for Python. Then import the PDF classes and common file format definitions needed for the conversion. The flow is small and predictable. Create a PDF document object, load the input file, save it with the Markdown file format, and close the document when the export is finished. Here is the complete conversion. Load the PDF from disk, call Save to File with file format Markdown, and close the document so the script finishes cleanly after writing the Markdown file. Here is the source PDF before conversion and the Markdown output afterward. The text, list content, table, and embedded image are now represented in a format that is easier to inspect and edit. One practical note: not every PDF structure becomes Markdown structure. Heading levels and hyperlinks may need manual review, especially when the original PDF uses complex formatting. That's the full PDF-to-Markdown workflow in Python. Try it with your own PDF file, then review the Markdown output for headings, links, and any formatting that needs refinement.